Hey guys, this is Barry with FaO&x Outdoors, and we are doing another unboxing video. So this is Mukkpet, and it is one of those moped bikes that have the dual batteries. It's got dual suspension. It's two 15 amp hour batteries. They say it goes about 120 miles. The 30 amp hours, in my opinion, with 20 amp hours, I can get about 55 miles. So honestly, I think you could probably get about 60, 65 miles if you were on pedal assist too. But it's a really neat bike. Let's put it together and let's see what we think about it. Let's get this bad boy unboxed. When you unbox these, make sure you keep the box. Don't throw it away. I don't have a wire cutter. You'll probably want a wire cutter. Pull this off. Usually they're about 80% built. You just got to put on a front tire, a fender, and the handlebars. Yeah, it's got dual motors. The only downside about a moped for me is I'm 6 foot. You can't adjust the seat, which I don't always care for. You know what I mean? Here, let me get this thing taken apart, and we'll build this thing together. All right, let's get this thing put together. When you put these bikes together, you want to put the front handlebars on first. Let's see if they got any tools for us. Chasing the rain. I got to do this outside. I'm doing some traveling. It's got some tools. It's only got 2 tools. That's awesome. Oh, there are 3. That's beautiful. All right, let's see. There we go. All right, come on over here with me. So we're gonna take these 4 little bolts out right here. It just makes it easier when the handlebars are out of the way, so you can put the tire on. This is really a good way of showing you that you don't have to have great situation. I'm doing this in an RV park. I'm actually at Savannah, Georgia. I'm doing a show for 40 days here for a Christmas show. So make sure you take them all off. I've tried all different ways to put these handlebars on. The best thing is to get this thing completely out of the way. All right. Now I got the kickstand down. Already. Super simple. Don't worry about adjusting it right now. Just need to get it. A couple of screws on there. And don't tighten one down. Make sure you just get a couple of screws started on all of them, because it will be a pain. If you tighten one of these down, you'll regret it. Let's see here. Come on. It's got these little ridges on there as well that bite on this to hold it up. Last one. Come on. I'm doing this blindfolded. Just trying to find a hole. All right, cool. I've got to stay. Just a little bit stiff. I know it ain't cross-threaded. You can adjust these later, or adjust them now. You just gotta set it up with your seat. There we go. All right, I'm gonna put this on and we will be right back. I think you know what we're doing here. Fender came twisted. So hopefully that won't be an issue. What else is in this box? Oh, I've got a headlight. So we'll put that on. I'm gonna put the headlight on with the front fender. So we'll do that. What else do we have? Okay, I was wondering, they didn't have the LCD screen. They shipped it separate, which is super smart because a lot of these come cracked and broken. All right. And what else? We got, oh, 2 chargers. That's smart. They brought us 2 chargers too. A lot of dual batteries do not do that. You have to charge them one at a time. All right, so we're gonna have to put this on and that on at the same time. Let's see here. I have a feeling they haven't given us all the tools because I don't see a 10 millimeter. Let's see, will it fit this way? Yeah. All right, cool. I like the little guard that they put on the headlight. A lot of like the enduro dirt bike guys, they put a cage over their headlights so branches and stuff won't break it. Their headlight. Ah, come on. They didn't give me all the tools. That sucks. This is probably a 10 millimeter, guys. If you have a 10 millimeter, you'll need to bring it with you on this trip because it's not, you can't tighten the backside. Muck Puppy, make sure that they have all the tools they need. There we go. All right, and then we're gonna just unscrew the sides here. And this part's simple. And you don't have to worry about, just go ahead and just tighten everything down. You don't have to worry about adjusting this. Your adjustment's gonna be from up here. You can just twist it. Alrighty. Almost done, guys. There we go. All right. What do we do next? Let's go ahead and put these foot pegs on. So you're gonna have a rider's left and a rider's right. It's red. And it says R to R, and it shows you how to tighten these down as well. The right side is righty-tighty, and the left side is lefty-tighty, which definitely feels weird. And let's do the other side. It's super simple. Lefty-tighty, Barry. I'm still trying to tighten it righty-tighty. This isn't hard, guys. All right. Let's see. Last thing is this bad boy right here. I hope they have the screws, because there is no screws. Okay. Please have all the screws. Last time I did one like this, they didn't have the screws. And it wasn't this company. Oh, I just want you to see, it does have a USB-C on the bottom so you can charge your phone, which is awesome. So let's go up here and get this thing built. Alrighty. More than likely gonna need spacers. Yeah. Let's stay. They give you the spacers. This is gonna feel like I'm gonna break this. Alrighty. I'm gonna need to get an Allen wrench. Let's see. Hold that for me real quick. Alright. Got an Allen wrench. Hold that for me for a second. Get back to putting this back on. Man, aggravating. Are you seeing this? All right, stay. I want to get one side started. I got this backwards. I don't know if I have it back. No, it's not backwards. The reason why is the USB is on the bottom. The little charging thing. All right. Golly, this is a little aggravating. Here we go. Please catch. There we go. I think I got it. All right. It's getting chilly. All right, let's get this about the center, and we can actually adjust this. You can tighten it down and it still moves around. All right, let's plug this thing in. It's arrow to arrow, or little knot to knot. There we go. And put this right here. Alrighty. Dude, this thing's only, it's like 1350. And it's got turn signals and dual battery, dual suspension. That is pretty crazy. Hydraulic brakes. All right. Let's put in the plug in everything. The little headlight. Boom. We'll put the battery on. And you can take these off and charge them in your house, or charge them right here on the bike. There we go. Are these charged? You got to turn them on. They're fully charged. That's awesome. Comes with keys. All right. Put those there. All right, let's adjust this. Let's see if we could turn the power on. Nice. You do have to turn the batteries on. They're naturally turned off. There's your battery. Power, let's see here. You got the headlights. Let's put those headlights down. About right there. You got your odometer, your time. Pedal assist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's as high as it goes. Turn signals. Oh yeah, here we go. And other turn signal, it just doesn't indicate it on here. But that's cool. And just for fun, that's the horn. Let's see what the plus and minus does. All right, so all this stuff, you might have to look in there in manual. It shows you your brightness, your amp hours, your tire size. You can make this go faster, but I don't want to do any of that stuff. So let's see, can we turn it off? The volume. I think top speed on this thing is 28 miles per hour as just straight out the factory. Let's just turn this thing off. All right, and we can see how fast it goes. This so it's throttle. So when you're when it's 0, you're not going to have any kind of power. I like these too, the flat grips. The pedal assist 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's crazy. So it's governed at about 35 miles per hour. Hydraulic brakes, your shifter right here. And when you have your brakes, like if you're holding the brake in, it will not go. It's got a safety on it. So the Mukkpet Ninja, dual battery, 30 amp hours, 750 watt motor. It's got 7 gears, mag rims, fat tires. It doesn't adjust, but you can sit back further to make you, feel a little bit more comfortable, but you're not going to be up or down. It can be 2 people, seaters. I like the dual suspension. It's a neat bike. It's absolutely a neat bike. 1350. They say it can go 120 miles to a charge with the dual batteries. I disagree with that. I bet I could get probably 60 or 65 miles out of it though, which is plenty of mileage. But yeah, If you'd like one of these, I'll put it in the description below. Yeah, I like it. I appreciate y'all. If y'all like videos like this, hit the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you next time. This was easy.